Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul, and today we're going to be talking about crypto. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about blockchain life. We're going to be talking about Future Blockchain Summit. We're going to be talking about how to do your own research in crypto. I'm going to give you a sneak peek, so to speak, and I will be answering your questions in the chat like an AMA, like I do every week. So go ahead, ask your questions. I'm going to try and answer all of them. I already see my man Kelvin. Kelvin, again, the first one to hit the universe, hit the like button. Thank you so much, man. I see my man Renan Montenegro. I see Victor El Matador Lopez saying, yo, what's up, my man? And today, I am back in Greece. I was in Dubai, Future Blockchain Summit. Maybe I can show you some pictures here, by the way. Well, maybe I can show you in a second, because I do want to talk about the Bitcoin price and everything first. But yeah, maybe I could show you some pictures about what went down there. But yeah, amazing experience. If you haven't been to a blockchain event, make sure you go. Make sure you go, especially if it's in Dubai. Like, amazing country. Everything is just huge, humongous. Amazing, though. I mean, I never felt more welcome. I never felt safer in another country. Beautiful people, beautiful country. Come to Dubai, Habibi. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Now, you can actually see some pictures of me actually here. Here I am with Web3 TV. This is just the Museum of Future in Dubai. Just look at that. It just looks like a sheet of paper, the way they made this building, right? Here's my booth, by the way. We had our own booth over there. There's Anna, if you're wondering who that is. This Maria Anderson, she's an influencer up in Dubai. She's friends with Da Vinci and everyone. We've done some work together. She came by and said hi. This is really good marketing by a team of cybersecurity personnel here, or executives, whatever. But yeah, beautiful experience. Yeah, that's me back in the day, by the way. Not anymore, unfortunately. This is more me now. but yeah, so in Dubai, amazing experience at Future Blockchain Summit. We will be releasing videos. We will be releasing event videos. I see my man Lou I saying, Lou I met me, came, took us out, took us to a Palestinian fusion restaurant, gave us dates, which I ate them all within 48 hours. That's why I don't have those abs anymore. But yeah, it was a really, really good time, man. It was an amazing time, amazing people. I can't wait to go back. I think I'll be going back in December. But hey, where are you guys watching from? I'm drinking, and what are you drinking today? I'm drinking Jack Daniels here. I'm drinking this. I'm drinking Jack Daniels Red Dog. This was a gift by a friend of mine for my birthday. And it actually tastes pretty good. I like Jack Daniels. And this one actually has a zing to it. So if you like zingy bourbon, this is it. By the way, also follow me on my Instagram if you want to see pictures of my dog and pictures of how I used to be and am not anymore. Nostalgia pics. But yeah, looking at the crypto markets, looking at Bitcoin right now. We're seeing Bitcoin 68,500. This played out pretty much how we said it's going to play out. If you didn't get in, not my fault. I begged you to get in. You can sort of see maybe non-technical heads and shoulders right here. I like to, inverse heads and shoulders. I like to use parallels. I don't like to use diagonal lines. But yeah, it does look like that. You can certainly call this a W. You can certainly call this a W. This is all... It just looks great. This is a cup and handle right here, right? So yeah, broke the neckline. We're on the way up. And I do think we're going to retest all-time highs soon, break them, go into blue sky breakout, price discovery. And then once that happens, I think on the way down, we'll be looking at alt season. Now, whether that's a mini alt season or a normal alt season, we don't know yet. We'll see. We do see alts working now. I'm calling it early, by the way. Let's see what happens. Looking at alts, these are meme coins. Let's go to our favorites. We're all in the green on the daily here. Things are playing out exactly how we thought. On the weekly, we're up bigly. On the monthly, we're up pretty massively as well, except for a few outliers. But yeah, you can see the altcoin markets, the 1 to 100 is doing good. And if you grab, let's say, the 200 to 300 range here, everything's doing well. We're doing good. Things are working how they're supposed to be working here, right? Now, if you missed the event, if you missed Future Blockchain Summit, you shouldn't have. Lots of alpha. We'll come out with videos soon. But if you missed that, make sure you check out Blockchain Life 2024 in Dubai. This is on the 22nd and 23rd of October, 2-day event. This is an amazing crypto-focused summit. I definitely advise you to get down there and get alpha. And as a matter of fact, we're actually covering this as media sponsors. Unfortunately, I can't be there. I have to go to my doctor's tomorrow. I have my 6 months check. I have been having some issues. Not to panic. Let's see what it's all about. But yeah, if you can make it to this event over here, and I also have a discount for you. As a matter of fact, 10% discount if you use the promo code CryptoFactor. So blockchainlife.com, use CryptoFactor promo code for a 10% discount at the event. And while you're at it, follow me on Twitter at MCPaulD if you want to follow me, if you want to see posts. I also have articles now, so you can actually see some published articles over here. For example, how I predicted the crypto market, how I predict the crypto bear market, my HBO Electric Money feature story. But yeah, I actually predicted the 15.6K lows and the bear market. And I was actually featured in the documentary Electric Money, the Bitcoin Mystery here. So this is how it all happened. It was for a few seconds only, nothing crazy. But yeah, check it out. And these are my thoughts. And follow me on Twitter for that. And yeah, that's about it. Let's have a look. I want to be answering your questions and see where we're at and where we're going. This is kind of like a talk. We have fun every Sunday, and I get to answer your questions, and we get to just chat. That's the whole point of this live stream. So we do it a bit differently than everybody else here. Hit the like button if you like that. Don't hit the like button if you don't. Oh man, super chat. Haven't seen one of those for a while. What's up, DRM7, $5. Thank you very much. Mind looking at Wolf on ETH? I can look at Wolf on ETH. You might not like my answer, but I'll check it out. I don't usually do this. Wolf. Not WorldCoin, sorry. Wolfcoin. And then I'll go into the questions earlier on. So here's what you might not like. There's nothing to look at on CoinMarketCap here. Literally nothing. All right, so this is either a new coin or it's not out here. Now you might use something else like DEX tools and so on. But if it's on CoinMarketCap, that means it's very new. Just so you can see what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at, Wolf, right? But this is on Binance. So maybe we're looking at the wrong coin here. Which coin are we looking at? Wolf on ETH. Let's try it again. Is this it? Landwolf? Are you talking about Landwolf? I hope not. You're going to have to be a little bit more specific about which wolf coin to check out here. I mean, there's so many of them, right? Wolf on Sol. Yeah, there's nothing I can do here. I mean, I don't know which coin you're talking about. If you're talking about this one, Landwolf right here, 89 market cap. Okay, here. It came out in May, so there's not a lot of price history. There's enough to see that it's holding above support here on the break after this massive cup and handle. If you want to get in Wolf right now, now's the time because you're holding support. Your stop loss is just under this. will probably re-challenge all-time highs if it breaks out its blue sky breakout. So if this is something you want to get into, then go ahead, right? You could right now would be the time. But I can't tell you more than that because I can't do technical analysis or any analysis because that takes a lot of time to do, right? So yeah, keep that in mind. If that answers your question, though. So yeah, if you like Landwolf, that's the one you were talking about, then now is the time to get in, if any. Being honest. If it's a scam or not, I don't know. If it's a rug pull or not, I don't know. But now would be the time to get in. Kelvin, yep, I see you, man. Hey, Paul, missing you. Yeah. Hey, from California. Cali, I want to get down to Cali one day. My favorite mafia crypto, man. Thanks, William. Say hello, my little friend. Hey, your bold crypto guru. What's up, John? Hello from Canada, Ontario. At the gym, watching, drinking water with beetroot powder. Cool, man. When you can see the peak of Doge, we don't know. Probably when the peak is close. I get a lot of these questions, Raul, like, when will this happen? When will that? Understand I'm not a prophet. Just because I called market lows and market highs and I'm good at calling Bitcoin, that doesn't mean I know exactly when it's going to happen and what's going to happen. And anybody that says that and tries to answer that with a straight face is a complete scammer or deluded, or you can't call this shit. You really can't. I am looking at a Doge to retest all-time highs, probably pass it and get to $1. And if it passes $1, then it's possible to go to $2, $3 by the end of the bull market. When will that be? I don't know. No one knows. There's no way of knowing. Let me open up the air conditioner. There's no way of knowing. When will altcoins start? I just answered that. Probably once we break all-time highs and come back down. But I do believe that we're there. It's bubbling. Hey, Paul, the market looks good. What do you think? Yeah, it does look good. Our alt season, everyone's looking for alt season. You're all impatient. You know why you're impatient and you're all asking? Either you bought and you're waiting for it because you want it to go up, or you haven't bought yet. And you're scrambling to buy and you're trying to time it. Don't try and time it. Just buy and wait. That's all you need to do right now, right? Paul, I made 4x off of my portfolio in mini bull run. What's your say in this bull run? How much you can make? Probably, it depends on what coins you have. But typically, if you're following this channel, at least 10x. I mean, if you don't make 10x and you're following the calls of this channel, then I don't think that's even possible. If you have other coins from other channels, I don't know. I can't answer that. The way ETH is behaving, I believe it's not going to do well this bull run. We don't know that. It's still early, man. When Lambo, when yachts. Thiago, my man. How are you, brother? I'm doing good, bro. Potential of Foxy. Foxy has huge potential. The reason Foxy has huge potential is not just a meme coin. It's a meme coin chain play. What do I mean by meme coin chain play? Linear chain is MetaMask's chain, blockchain. And Foxy is the meme coin of MetaMask on that chain. So getting into Foxy is betting on Linear, which is betting on MetaMask, if that makes sense. So you want to get into Foxy. It has to be part of your crypto portfolio. Hello, brother. Can you take a look at Vanar? We've done this before, man. What was Vanar Chain? I'm going to just do this one time because I did it before and I feel I'm a bit of a bastard. Like, oh, he only looks at coins because it's super... Well, I do only look at coins if it's a super chat most of the time. Depending on the coin, though. Let's have a look at Vanar coin real quick here. Again, you had this rise over here. Then you had all this down here in the bear market. The rise is slowly coming down. As long as it doesn't go, again, it's right at the level to buy right now. If it goes under, get out, right? So 0.080 and under is bad. Maybe you can look at that into a range at 0.054. But generally speaking, you buy now. And if it goes under 0.080, you get out. That's basically it. And you wait for it to at least challenge all-time highs here. Or does it go more? It should go more, actually. All-time highs here. Well, will it reach all-time highs? I don't know. I would bet it would reach 0. I would go for about 0.30 cents. This is about 30 cents I would go for. So if I would buy, I would go for a 30x and get out. All right? I don't even know much about Vanar. Oh, Vanar, sorry. Well, let's have a look what Vanar is. Let me show you. If you guys don't use ChatGPT, Vanar Coin summary, then I don't know what you're doing. I use ChatGPT a lot. And you can actually use it for research as well. I actually have a video coming out on exactly how to use it for research. Let's have a look here. In the metaverse, okay. Let me do a Vrin score for Vanar coin. So if you don't know what a Vrin score is, a few years ago I made a video on how to do your own research. And I actually explained how to use a Vrin score to do your own research on crypto coins. You can do it for anything. You can do it for employees. You can do it for businesses. You can do it for anything. But it's very hard to be unbiased about it. There's a lot of things that get into it. But now with ChatGPT, you can just ask it to do it for you. So you just click that. Let's have a look. All right, so if you don't know what it is, VRIN stands for value, rarity, inimitability, and non-substitutability. And generally, it's strong. So what I like to do is after it gives you these scores, you can actually read about them. I'm just glancing through them right now. But what I like to do is give it a 1 to 10 rate on each. Then what that will do is we'll give you a 1 to 10 so we can have a better understanding. And then what you want to do, since there's 4 elements here, or four factors anyway, value and so on, what you want to do is you want to divide it by 4. Divide by 4 for the average, right? So you can get the overall average. And if it's over an 8, it's close to an 8, it's long term. If it's under, if it's a 5 to 8, then I would say it's more of a short term play. But yeah, the VRIN score looks okay here. And then what you can do is like look at tokenomics. But you didn't know how to, but a lot of people didn't think to do this. So, doing a lot of research takes time, but you can easily do it with ChatGPT. I actually have a video coming out explaining to you how you can do it. A lot of secrets that I use as well. And I use ChatGPT to help me do it real quick. Let's see, top holders. It's not very good. Top holders hold 61% of the total supply, which is some of, so it's just, yeah. So you can generally check it out and read about it here. So you could pause the video after on the replay and check this out and see what it's like. Market cap wise, let's look at conservative price by end of 20. Let's look at the end of 2024. You can do more, of course, but let's look at the end of 2024. Doesn't matter if you get spelling mistakes. Okay, how much X is that? So we're looking at a conservative. Okay, so ChatGPT suddenly, is not really good for this. Don't take this for a call. But generally speaking, you can look what it looks like. Well, how about if we do, okay, what about end of bull market? Let's have a look, 500% or more. Yeah, so 5x, essentially. Well, 3 to 5x is a possibility, which is pretty much, when I looked at this without using ChatGPT, I looked at this and I said what? I said somewhere up here, right? At 47 cents, or did I say 61 cents? But if you do the math, that's about it. That's about right. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. So you can verify like that. So that's one way to do research is to actually use ChatGPT. It's good if you have the paid version, of course. but you could do it on the free version as well. And yeah, it does have a cutoff date and everything, but if you ask it to look at certain things that are happening now, it can. It just takes history up to a certain date, if that makes sense. So for example, if you go here and you say, for example, if you go to okay, let's do this. Why subscribe to the Crypto Factor? And it will tell you the reasons why. Let's have a look. Subscribing to the Crypto Factor offers a range of benefits, particularly for those interested in crypto, blah, blah, blah. Proven market calls, accurate predictions. Yes, we do. The Crypto Factor, hosted an experienced crypto professional, has a history of making successful market calls, such as predicting 15.6K bottom. Yes, we did. We have multiple videos on that. And the double top. Yes, we did. We have multiple videos on that. And valuable insights, actionable crypto content, educational value. The channel offers actionable advice on crypto trading, investing, and blockchain projects. Wallet and platform tutorials, interviews, engage. What the hell is it talking about? Every Sunday, 7. Talks about the live stream here. Pretty cool. Market entrepreneurship insights. Very true. This is what our strength is on. The host has over 25 years of experience in sales, marketing, and consumer psychology. Very true. Several books written on crypto marketing. Yes. Consulting and so on. Real experience and authenticity. Thank you very much. The host, personal experience, including battling through cancer. Yes. Which adds 3 times, by the way. Entertainment industry experience, also that. And there's trusting. So yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already, ChatGPT actually recommends it. That's pretty cool. So yeah, plus your thoughts on recent ADA hype. ADA, nothing changes with ADA. People are not building on it. There's hype, but people aren't building it. It's speculation hype. I'm not saying ADA is bad, but we rode that. We took that train. We got off at the top. We took our profits. There are other coins to get into. Can it do great? Yes, it can. Can it surprise everyone? Yes. But there are other coins that are more proven to do it right now. Maybe later on it would make more sense, but right now I wouldn't get into ADA. I would rather get into AI crypto coins and gaming. Wolf is CTO Pepe and Brett Friend. Okay, Blue Steel. CTO Pepe and Brett Friend. Marie. Like, you're giving me utility and you're giving me fundamentals for a meme coin that don't fucking exist because they're fake. Get in, take profits fast. It's a gamble. All right? It's like going and playing roulette. When it comes to meme coins, unless it's Foxy, Doge, something that's long-term, because of why I explained, it's a bet. If you're going for a 36x, you're actually better off, with all these meme coins coming out every day, thousands of meme coins, you're better off going to a roulette table, picking one number, having 1 out of 36 chances to make 36x. That's basically what you're doing. Don't try and justify it. Hi fam, are you looking at Sui? Yeah, we are all in Sui. Alex, Duarte, we are all in Sui, man, for a while now. If a crypto has been rug pulled, actually on the do your own research video, on the video that I'm going to be releasing in the next couple of weeks on how to do your own research, where I show you how to use AI to do your own research, I use Sui as an example. That's how much I like Sui. If a crypto has been rug pulled, can they do it again? Yes. If we buy, yes, of course they can. You can look at the contract as well, right? You can look at the contract and they can change the contract. There might be different things, honeypots. There's a lot of different things if they have admin keys and so on. What do you think, or if you just sell from another wallet? What do I think of SPEC? I don't know anything about SPEC. Good morning. What's going to happen with Avalanche? I think Avalanche will start going up once gaming starts going up as well. Is Miria a good buy? Yeah. Miria is extremely good to buy. I think you should get into Miria right now. How do you feel about the new era when AI agents will launch with AI coins meme? Yeah. And AI will do that. Yeah, I think it's cool because it's generally like an assistant. You can actually tell the agent When this happens, when this price breaks, sell here, buy there, and so on. So it's effectively like automation. It's actually pretty cool. It just looks at things real time. I'm already using AI. I'm actually thinking about starting an AI channel. Do you think gaming coins can do more this cycle? I think gaming coins can do a lot, and I don't think that they haven't started yet. They're going to surprise people. So you want to be getting into AI coins and gaming coins right now. You just want to get into them. Things like G Swift, things like Fetch, both those, you want to get into those. Do you think there will be a recession next year? There probably will be, but we'll see. We have covered it a lot since last year, talking about the potential recession. The good news is it might come a little late. I actually thought it's going to come earlier, but because we had the market consolidate for such a long time, I actually think we actually won some time, at least when it comes to crypto. Paul, what's your say in 2027, Paul? What's your say on 2027 top from Michael Sayer? Bullshit? No, I think it's going to be 2026. Let's see. Your devotion to crypto is highlighted. Thank you so much, man. Some weird people have been have conversations with ChatGPT. Yeah, I use ChatGPT a lot. Even to make posts sometimes, I'll take it and then I'll tweak it, obviously. But it does help a lot, even with my website that I wrote. I actually make my own website. I don't know if you know this. I developed my own website. I updated it and so on. As a matter of fact, here, look. You can go to cryptofactor.net. This is my website. I'm constantly, tweaking it whenever I have time. But I will ask ChatGPT to do this, for example, and it will do it for me. Then I'll tweak it and these things here. And then if you go to my blog, I want to write a blog. I don't have time to write a blog, right? So I can ask it to translate a video or something like that, and I'll just put it down in the blog, for example, and so on. So this is my website, by the way. So you can check it out, cryptofactor.net. If you're interested, that is. You can see my books here if you want to buy any of my books. Don't know if you know that I've authored a couple of books as well. Some in blockchain right here, some in sales and marketing, and so on. So yeah. Any thoughts on the election? Who's better for crypto? Trump. That's a very easy answer. It goes without saying. Kamala is shit for crypto. I don't know what your views are on Kamala in general. I don't want to get into politics right now. But Kamala is not good for crypto at all. It's good for control and centralized cryptocurrencies. Very bad for crypto in general and your rights to use it. So it's good for some people, bad for most. Trump would be good for everyone in crypto. It does matter in the sense that with Trump, you might get a faster rise, bigger rise, then drop, take profits, get back in, depending on the market timing to see if there's one more second wind in it. While Kamala might be just rise because, uncertainties stop, people know what to expect, then the drop down. So Trump's better. Titan's ecosystem unicorn. I really haven't looked at all these, man. I really don't know about these, Klaus. I've heard about Klaus as well. Stop with meme coins, guys. Stop. Just stop. Just get into utility coins right now. I mean, we're about to have an alt season. We're about to have a massive push in crypto. You can get into meme coins, get into sustainable meme coins like Doge, like Pepe, like a Foxy, which is a chain play, a MetaMask chain play, like Brett, which is a base play, for example. You can get into those things. Bozo Hybrid, which actually has some utility and some innovation behind it. Things like this. You don't want to get into gambling right now. That's over with. Yes, you can make a lot of money if you have a chance to sell and if there's liquidity. If being the operative word. Do you think Sol and Sui is the end game of... No, I think so. I think Sui is taking market share from Sol. But I think Solana's got a lot going. I think they're doing very well. Both of them are going to do very well. It's good to have both of them in your portfolio. Hey, Paul, you still bullish on ChatGPT? Yes, I am. Yeah, nothing's happening, but I am. Cody Mainnet, yeah, Cody Mainnet is coming. We bought it last time, and we got out. You still bullish on Casper? Well, yes, but again, like, I'm bullish on Casper long term, but I explained that people are overrating it so many times. I made so many videos on Casper. I can't, like, talk about Casper anymore. Of course I'm bullish, but people are overrating it or underrating it. They're not in the middle ground. If you watch my videos, we made the call. We made the call when to take profits. And now you just have to wait for it to go up and take profits again. Don't forget XRP, we're going to the moon. Yeah. Let me show you something funny about XRP. Let me show you something, since we had ChatGPT open, okay? Let's put this, okay? Watch this, okay. For XRP to reach $1,000, market cap has to be how much, and is it, of course it's possible, but it's very hard, right? But let's have a look. Just out, and I'm not saying to use market cap for XRP here. Yes, market cap is somewhat irrelevant, but there are some things you could actually look at. For example, would need to be, so XRP's market cap would need to be approximately 53.3 trillion to be $1,000. The current market cap as of now, XRP's market is approximately 28 billion. For XRP, you need a 1,777x. But Bitcoin did it? Yeah, sure. So the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies combined is just over 1 trillion. The global GDP is approximately 100 trillion. So having one cryptocurrency with a market cap of half of that, 53 trillion, would require XRP to become the dominant global asset larger than the entire cryptocurrency market today, and even rivaling traditional assets like stocks, commodities, and fiat currencies. So it's very highly unlikely for this to happen. Now, for the people saying $10,000, right? This is just doing this for fun. I'm not saying to look at market cap, but there's a line in the sand when it tells you, when it puts things in perspective. So, 533 trillion is an astronomical number, far exceeding the global GDP and the market capitalization of all assets combined. That's stocks, real estate, and so on. So that's almost impossible, right? What's the GDP of the entire world? For those people saying that everything's going to be under GDP, under XRP. So the entire world in 2023, okay, is 105 trillion. And XRP would have to be 533 trillion to be $10,000. So that's 5x. Now, yes, of course, this is not an exact science, but you understand the scope and the magnitude of this. I mean, yes, don't look at market cap, as market caps can rise as more comes into cryptocurrency and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Yes, we know this. I was one of the first channels to talk about this. Go back to my videos. I have it documented. But there's a line in the sand, right? Now, let alone 50K. Let's not even go to 50K, right? Spec is an AI agent. Well, there's a lot to look into it if I look into Spec, man. I mean, I can't, like, looking into Spec in a live stream. A lot of people do this. They do analysis on live streams. It takes hours and hours to do analysis. I actually have a video coming out to do analysis. You just can't do it on a live stream. You can't concentrate, especially TA. You just can't do it. It's complete BS. I'm telling you right now. I know this is not what you want to hear, but I'm telling you what you need to hear. Let me get some more Jack Daniels here. I'm not going to put a lot, though, because I don't want to get drunk. Can Binance stop withdrawals if Bitcoin is set to exchange for profit? Binance and every centralized exchange can do whatever they want anytime they want. They can freeze your account, stop withdrawals, allow withdrawals. They can do whatever they want, which is why you want to take your crypto and put it in your wallet. And I have a video coming out like that as well. Plus I have an article about it. So if you go to X, for example, and you go to my articles, I should have an article here best crypto wallets for 2025. If you're not on X and you're not following me on X, MC Paul D, which you should be, you can also look at my website. You can go to blog, and it's right here, best crypto wallets 2025. And if you don't want to do that, it's on LinkedIn and it's on Medium and it's in a whole bunch of other places. And I'm not going to be doing this a lot, but I am getting into it. At some point, I'm going to have to hire somebody, just like I hired someone to do editing for my videos. I need to hire somebody to do my blog posts and everything, because it's just a matter of time. Miles the show. Yeah, okay, but I can't look at spec. I can't do an analysis on spec right now. I just can't. It just takes a lot more than your average overview, if you know what I mean. Maybe next time. Hey, Paul, I'm planning to trade passively income sometimes because I'm missing a lot in the VIP group trade. I never... Yeah. You can... if you are in the VIP, you can ask questions and I will answer, or Dennis will answer for technical analysis. Or if you get coaching, one-on-one coaching, I can show you how I trade. Literally, it goes by the hour, but I can show you how I personally trade, and I can show you the basics and everything you need in 1 hour, more than likely. If people are wondering what I'm talking about, the links are in the description down below. Oh, by the way, join my mailing list as well. It's pinned at the top. You get a lot of insights. You get a lot of insider insights if you do that. Make sure you do that. It will take you to this page here. You just sign up with your first name and your email address, and you get all this stuff. Factorfam.com. Okay, just go to factorfam.com. Ooh, let's have a look. What else do we have here? Hey, what's up, B-Germ? What alpha did you miss? I can't repeat it, man. Watch it on repeat, bro. That's why it's there. It's going to be a video after. Repeat everything for everyone. Since it's my first bull market, congratulations, Raul. So, Paul, I don't know what exchanges stops. All of them can. Dude, all exchanges can stop withdrawals at any time. Even decentralized ones are not that trustworthy. Get the cryptocurrencies in your own wallet. Thoughts on Casper? I think Casper's great. You should get in and be patient. But don't go all in. Like, diversify. Hello from Slovenia. You are great. Thank you so much. Hey, Stanko, how are you, man? Take a sip of JD here. 75K this week. Says Midwest Picker. Can you drink Gentleman's Jack near us better than... Yeah, I'm just... it depends what I have. I'll try that as well. That's pretty good as well. This was a gift. It's not Jack Daniels, it's Red Dog. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I never had it before. It was a present. It's actually pretty cool. Gentleman's Jack is better. Paul, have you ever drank Suntory? No, I have not. What's my favorite? Johnny Blue. I know it sounds commercial, right? But it's Johnny Blue. I'm not much for alcohol, by the way. I rarely drink. Just sometimes on live streams. I hold in Ledger. Great. Ethereum breaking out. Awesome. Do you like ICP? Generally, no. I think ICP is overrated and the charts are disgusting. So unless that changes, I wouldn't get into ICP. There's opportunity cost. People in there have missed a lot of opportunities. I know Banfield, whatever his name is, loves it a lot. I know I suspect he's being paid by them. He makes some... I've seen his videos. I feel sorry sometimes. The guy presents something like it's fact, and he either knows the truth and doesn't say it, or is just... He really doesn't know what he's talking about. I know that's bad what I'm saying, but it drives me crazy. I've watched some of his videos. I tried to give him a chance a couple of times to see what he has to say. I'm sorry, I just don't like him. I know him personally. He might be a great guy, but you're gonna get wrecked following him. Yeah, I'm just saying. Paul, share some story. What mistake we should avoid in the bull market? Yeah, avoid not taking profits. Take profits. Most people don't take profits. It's very hard to buy your first cryptocurrency. it's a lot harder to sell because you fall in love with it and the FOMO keeps you going. You want to become a millionaire. Just take profits when it makes sense. An indication when we can know the top. When the indication hits, I will be the first one to tell you, hopefully, again, for the third time in a row. Or more times in a row. Paul, how much are you looking Bitcoin top? 100 to 140K. If that breaks above 140K, we're looking at maybe close to 200, maybe 180K. But I'm looking at 100 to 140K, then we can reevaluate. By the way, hit that like button if you're watching this right now and you haven't already. No matter what you're doing, hit that like button. If you're driving a car on the freeway doing 90, hit the like button. If you're cooking and your phone is in the bedroom and you have to leave the cooking and go in the bedroom with danger of having a fire in your kitchen, go hit that like button. If your food burns, it's okay. Charcoal is actually good for you. They actually put it in toothpaste now. They put it everywhere. If you're having sex, just lean over. Hit that like button. It's not weird at all. It's perfectly normal. You know, if she asks why you're hitting the, what are you doing while you're having sex, just I'm liking the crypto factor. She'll be like, oh, I just liked him the other day. I'm gonna get in trouble. I got in trouble at the event as well. I mean, there was models everywhere, and I got in trouble. Yeah, you'll see the video. I'm flirtatious by nature. I'm flirtatious by nature, and when my girlfriend's filming the actual event, whew. In your opinion, what are the best risk-reward opportunities? Gaming and AI. You can also get into DeepIn and RWA. Those are going to be hyped up towards the end of this bull market, but those are the narratives probably for the next bull market. In your opinion, Paul, say some business idea from crypto. Crypto YouTube. Start a crypto YouTube channel. And if you don't know much about crypto, start learning about it and start documenting, talking about what you learned. And that will give you an audience to get into crypto. And then after a year of making these crypto videos or interviews, depending on what you're doing, pay an editor, get them into a book. Now there's AI. You don't even need to pay for an editor. You can just get AI to do it for you, and an editor to just do the fine prints. It's so easy now. Moonwell token. That's just like I don't take like when people just go Moonwell token. Do that. I don't work for you, all right? And I need specificities of what you mean. What do you mean by Moonwell token? What do you want to ask about it? Like, what? The fundamentals, the TA, the technicals, if I'm in it, if I'm not into it. Have you got a profit by organizing a booth? No, but I got great branding and potential profit. We'll see what happens. Lack of reach in YouTube. How much can I grab some reach? Not sure what you mean. How many months you didn't get viral? Dude, I didn't get viral for a long time. It takes a long time. I'm not viral, but my views are 100% real. My subscribers are 100% real. But this is because I was dedicated. I have over 1,700 videos on my channel, and I was even making videos while I was fighting cancer, because I fought cancer 3 times. 2 times after I got into crypto. And you can see videos of me actually making calls and talking about crypto in the hospital while getting chemo. So that's how dedicated I was. And it takes a long time. It takes many years to become an overnight success. In anything you do, it takes many years to become an overnight success. Do you think the whole throw a dart to choose an altcoin and you still make money is going to happen, is going to apply in this cycle? Yeah, unless you hit XRP or ICP, yeah, sure. But this is towards the end of the crypto and then the hyper phase of the market. Any coins this is a good question. Any coins you recently bought that you think can do a 6 to 8x in this bull market? Yes. And you said recently. So recently, I bought a Mavia, which is pretty recent, because I was in gaming tokens, but I saw Mavia as an opportunity at the lows. Mavia was one. Super was another one, if recently counts for a couple of months at the lows. And I also bought Sui as well a couple of months ago. So those three. Everything else I was just adding to my positions, but those ones stood out for me. Are there any more? Yes, there are. And I think there's probably more that I bought as well. I just can't remember them right now. More money shilling. Respect, thank you very much. Sidus price target. There's no price target for these new coins or coins. You have to, like, I know a lot of people give price targets, but most of them are bullshit. This is because there's no price history or not enough price history. You can only give price targets when there's price history. When there's not enough price history, whenever the coin goes up and breaks all-time highs, which new coins do multiple times, they're always in blue sky breakout and price discovery. So what price prediction can you possibly give? Right? It's very hard. It's impossible. Yeah, you can use some Fibonacci, whatever, but no, you really literally can't. People are doing this because they get views. Price targets for this, price target, they get views. These videos get views. That's why they do it. But you can't really do it. It's almost impossible. Stop falling for that, really. Don't look at price, look at time. Try to time the top and then take profits. Don't look at price. Does that make sense? Unless it makes sense price-wise because, hey, I'm going to make some money here. I got it and I got 10x. All right, I'm a little drunk, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop reading out the question and just answer the question because I'm getting a little tired. I'm gonna stop drinking and drink some water as well. And by saying drunk, I don't mean drunk. I mean tipsy and my stomach hurts. So here, let me show you what I'm looking at. These are your questions here, and I'm right here. Yeah, I can't give you an analysis, John, how it's going to end and when it's going to end in a live stream, dude. I mean, I've made videos about it, partly giving you my thesis, but it's almost impossible for me to explain to you everything I know. It's like you're asking me how to do karate. I can show you the moves, but I can't show you how to use them, if that makes sense. Not in a live stream. I have all my crypto on Tangent. Tangent Wallet's pretty safe and good. I use Tangent Wallet, John. You can swap, but watch out for the fees. You can do it directly on Tangent. You can do it, but watch out for the fees. But yeah, you could do that. Depends. I like leaving some on an exchange and most of them in the hard wallet than transferring to an exchange. It depends how much time you have and what's going on at that moment in time. I do the same thing, but I do it on Exodus. But I also have a Tangent wallet. Do you guys like this format where you can actually see the question here? If you like this format, I don't have any issue leaving it like this for you. I never tried it before. It might make sense. Ignore this yellow bar here. It doesn't matter. I can't be bothered to fix it. It's been going on for like a year. Hey, Paul, what do you think of LF? It's a meme coin. There's no analysis over it. People are talking about it. If you want to buy it, take profits. If you don't. There's no analysis whatsoever you can do. Even if it's a new meme coin, there's no price history either. There's nothing you can do with it. It's a gamble. It's like playing roulette. But the odds are less. Do you believe election day could possibly? Yes, I explained to earlier on, especially if Trump wins. Hey, Paul, which we want. Paul, what do you think in the long term people will be more into crypto? Hard to speculate. I don't think people will be more into crypto than fiat generally, but I think they'll be more open to crypto in general, and things will run on crypto without knowing it's crypto, if that makes sense. If you have some rest of tokens on the wallet, are you cleaning them to zeros? Sometimes, yes. I only keep certain coins that have a VRIN score over 8. And to be honest, I aim to just have Bitcoin. And if you're wondering what a VRIN score is, well, I explained it earlier on. But it's a way to evaluate long-term and short-term plays. I actually made a video on how to do this before ChatGPT existed, and as soon as I saw how ChatGPT does it automatically for you, it's amazing. But yeah, that's what I do. You can, Raul, but keep on watching the Crypto Factor. You can take a break, but just keep watching the channel, my man. Just keep watching the channel. Hey, Paul, if Trump becomes president, would you say crypto will skyrocket? Yeah, I think it will skyrocket. Even if it dumps first, it will still skyrocket. You don't want to, put it this way, you don't want to risk not being in. We don't know what it's going to do, but you want to be in crypto whatever it does. Paul, do you have any dream in your bucket list like Rolex or anything? Not really. Not really. I used to have. I don't care about it anymore. I just want my health. I just want to live. You know, I got cancer 3 fucking times. And I lost my parents. My dreams were mostly making them proud and getting things for them. So when I lost my parents, my sister, so on, and I'm alone, well, I got my girlfriend, my dog, obviously. I don't really have any dreams. I don't really care. That I have everything I can possibly want. I would like to have more money just for the freedom aspect of it. And the safety aspect of it, if that makes sense. But not really. I don't really have any dreams or bucket lists. I used to want a Rolex. Overrated. I actually have a Rolex. I meant another Rolex. I got the cheap one, like the Submariner. It was a gift, actually. No, not really. Just health, man. I just want good health. That's it. That's all I ask for. And when I say good health, I mean for me, my girlfriend, my dog, as well. Is Delicium AGI one of the biggest? Yes, it's one of, not my biggest bags, but I have a lot of nodes. I think I have like 7 nodes for Delicium. How can I make income so I can quit my job? You know, I know that you're asking for this for a joke, but it's funny you asked. So I actually wrote a book on how to do this. If you go to my books on cryptofactor.net, you see this book right here, Success IAO, Improvise, Adapt, and Overcome. This will tell you how to make money. This is before crypto. This will tell you how to make money and give you action plans at the end of it as well. It will actually show you how to make money and it will teach you how to make money. No joke, right? I actually wrote that book. What do you think of Neon? I don't know anything about it. Hey, Hanson. What's up, Crypto Princess? Hey, check out Crypto Princess's channel, by the way. I'm going to be on there soon. She's a really sexy girl from the UK. Sorry, I've been drinking. I've been drinking, right? So, she's a really sexy girl from the UK. Not sure if she's single, but she has a lot of really good videos on crypto. She's very educational, and I think she's going to be big, regardless of my, regardless of my sex orientation, regardless of my flirtatious nature. She actually has a lot to offer when it comes to crypto, guys. Check out her channel. Paul, show your home view. No, I'm in my home office. My home view, you can see it here. Actually, I can show it to you. Yeah, I can show you where I live. Give me a second. But I'm not going to go inside and take this is like a camera I'm using a webcam. It's not a webcam, it's a camera I'm using as a webcam. So it's kind of impossible to do that. But I can show you my house in pictures if you want. Because they're on Instagram, or I think they should be. Let's have a look. This is me back in the day, by the way, before I got cancer. It's my bike. La 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 la. Give me a second. This is like the kind of hotels I stay in, by the way. This is a suite. This one's in Poland, I believe. Yeah, Poland. But yeah. I just like to... Here, there you go. So this is my living room. This is part of my living room. This is last year Christmas time. And then this is the other side of the living room, Christmas time. It needs some fixing up, guys. It really does. But yeah, I'll get there. This is one of my houses, by the way. And as you can see, this is the living room. It continues to the right here. It goes all the way down to the end, and there's rooms all the way down. I need to change this wood and fix it up a little bit. See where that light is right here, halfway down? That's where my home office is. That's where I'm in right now talking to you. So my house is about 200 square meters. It's an apartment, basically. 200 square meters at a prime location in Glyfada, near where they're making the smart park, the smart city. So there's a lot of investment. That's my dog. That's my puppy, Diaz. You can see part of my house there. That's my leg. I'm not sure if I have any more pictures of my house. Yeah, well, that's my girlfriend. That's her mom. That's my birthday. Just 3 of us. I think that was a Bitcoin cake. Let me see. Yeah, that was the Bitcoin cake. That was last year. My dog wanted to eat some. He did not eat any. And then I should have my other house somewhere. This is the view from my other house. This is my beach house. This is the view of my beach house. It's on the mountain near the beach. It's actually pretty nice. I'm actually fixing it up. That's me fishing. Let's see. Do I have any more of my house? Let's go through my Instagram in the live stream. That's me in hospital trading. So yeah, this is literally me trading. What is that price? I can't even see. Bitcoin. Yeah, this is me like doing shit, fighting with chemotherapy and getting bone marrow transplant right after that. That's me in hospital. This is what I was looking at. Like, well, this wasn't the worst I was looking, but close to it, I guess. This is when I was getting CAR T therapy and so on. That was me in hospital. Me before going to hospital. Checkups, whatever. But yeah, this is my other house. This is my other house and my beach house. That's my dog in the window because it's a house. It's not that big. It's about 70 square meters, maybe, with a big garden. That's the other office. Of course, my house flooded and I had to repaint it and everything because that's how lucky I was. But yeah. Bitcoin ATM I had at some point. Then it's me with different artists because I was also an artist. Check out my Instagram. It's MC Poldy. You get to see a lot. You can see different foods I like eating. Me as a Jamaican. And so on. So yeah. Interesting to some. Probably not for many. I like going to 5-star restaurants too. I stopped taking a lot of pictures at restaurants and stuff. I just like enjoying the moment. I used to take pictures, but I hate taking pictures. But if you go back a lot, you'll see when I used to be an artist. Give me a second. That's me with Tom Vase. Anyway, if you go back, you get back to my sales and success videos, and you'll also get to see me as an artist, but you have to go really, really back, right? This is me in the gym, back when I used to work out, by the way. Where am I? Back. This is in Poland when I first started getting into crypto. That's all in Poland. I was CMO of Experty back then. Me writing my book, blah, 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 blah. Where am I? Well, that's me. First time I had cancer, I was taking pictures with a photo shoot, by the way. So this is me as an MC right here. This is like the crew who are going to Bulgaria. This wasn't too long ago, not too long ago before I had cancer anyway, but this was in Bulgaria. This is me. I was an artist, but I was also a director and producer. But you get to see what I used to be like here. There should be pictures of me, again in the gym. There should be pictures of me performing somewhere here. I can't find them now, I guess. That's me with DJ Physique, that's in Germany. Different singers. There's me as an MC. That was my ex-girlfriend, one of them. I have a few ex-girlfriends in here, by the way. But yeah, just generally speaking. Anyway, I digress. Sorry, I was reminiscing. Let's go back to the here. Paul, show me, you have great health, thank you very much. Praying for your health, thank you so much. What you've been through, your inner power, yeah, hope so, man. It was God as well. I have a lot of faith. I believe in God. What's your prediction for the whole market cap? I don't have a prediction for the whole market cap. Eyes on last exit. Just be healthy, yeah, pretty much. I agree. Everything else is. I agree. How much do you think ApeCoin's going to go? I don't have no targets. Any financial management tips? Not right now. Anyway, am I a Jew? No, I'm actually Greek. So I'm Greek Christian Orthodox. So no, I'm not a Jew. But why are you asking that? Do I look like a Jew? Anyway, thank you very much. Love you all. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit the like button. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.